So, it seems like many of you like my customizable GD wallpaper. So I'm gonna go through all the comments you put under the video and let's see what ideas are good and I'm gonna make real and add to the wallpaper. Add the trackpad mode. I could do that, no problem. The thing is, the ship actually represents the jetpack. I used the ship instead of the jetpack because there are way more skins or icons you can choose from. There are only 5 jetpacks and I don't know how many ships I can make, so you can switch between jetpack and ship. I can do that, yeah. I would recommend making the icons not collide with each other because they kind of stack on top of each other often. Also, I recommend adding the cube you have selected onto the ship and UFO. Another idea I have is to allow the user to select if an icon is mini or not, which make the icon act like it's mini. Wave moves at a steeper incline, UFO has smaller jumps, etc. Also, I know you said you were working on the physics, but if the wave doesn't move only diagonally, I will have a seizure. I don't want the wave just moving diagonally. I also want to go that up down. It just looks better. Also, I made this little spinny thing where the wave spins around all the time. Icons not collide with each other. I like this on this wallpaper. It would not be the same. For example, if the spider lands on a cube or a robot, it just looks funny. Or when the ball accidentally lands on the ship goes up and transports the ball up. It's pretty fun. Mini, I did not implement it in the physics, but now they're changeable icon sizes. You can change between 5 different icon sizes. And not to forget, the cube is already added to the ship and the UFO. Ability to add object of the game, please, like for the icons to interact. Basically, what you want me to do is a whole editor. No. Just no. Daily dose of GD gang. Best idea ever. Maybe if you mimic a certain famous player's icon set, some sort of Easter egg based on the player would be unlocked. This could be connected to the custom background stuff you mentioned previously. For example, if you recreate Funny Games icon kit, you could use unlock a custom background from one of Funny Games levels. I think it would be a really cool Easter egg, plus could open up a lot of interesting additions. I agree. I added not the Easter egg, so you have to select the icons of each player you want to use, but I put there a lot of icon sets from like Dorami, Aeon, EVW, and you can just select them and choose them from whoever you want. You can tell me in the comments down who I should add. Dual mode would be pretty cool. I agree on that. I would need to add a lot of more physics, as a whole second player, inverted colors. It's possible, but it will take time. I think I'll add it. So this was actually requested a lot of times. Can you make a version for Lively Wallpaper? It is created. I put links down in the description where you can download it for Lively Wallpaper. The only important part is that you don't use the version from the Microsoft Store itself, but the one I'm also gonna put down in the description because for some reason the Microsoft Store version does not work with .exes as wallpaper. I'm gonna make a whole tutorial on how to install this. There we have it again. Can you make a tutorial how to download this without Steam? Sure, gonna make it. Can you make a macOS version? Sure, this is one button click for me. So yeah, I'm gonna make it. Could you make it so that you can have multiple of the same game modes on the wallpaper at once? Example, 2 different cubes or 3 different waves. I think that would be pretty cool. Yeah, it would be pretty cool, but pretty hard as well, because then I would have 3 menus for 3 different cubes you want to change the colors from, and, performance-wise, it would just be too much. The fact that the GD wallpaper takes up more space than GD itself. It did. It doesn't anymore. Before it took like 670 megabytes of storage, now it only takes around 150. Okay, if you have more ideas, you can put them down in the description and I'm gonna review them in another video. You can download also the wallpaper in the description down below from either Wallpaper Engine with Steam or Lively Wallpaper for completely free when you don't have Wallpaper Engine yet. Still gonna make a tutorial, so see you in the next video. Bye!